Hey everyone, so how are you all? So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Doctor and Forex Trader. So I hope you all are doing good and we are here for another live session. So as you know, this is our program where we daily trade NAS 100 live and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. Okay, strategy we are using is purely price action, no indicators, nothing else, simple price action, support and resistance, and some candlestick patterns. That's it. So I hope you are all are enjoying this program and we are doing good. We are going good till now. It's been almost 1.5 months till now, and I hope that I'll be hosting such sessions in future and will help you in your trading. So now you will be seeing my screens and we'll start this session. Hey, a very good evening. So I hope my screen is visible. So as usual, we'll start with the recap what we did yesterday. So this was our yesterday's trade, right? Initially we started the trade like this, but then when I got this, I knew now I would shift my stop loss to almost here and I'll increase my position size. So I updated regarding this on Telegram at the same time when I did it, and then our risk reward was 1 is to 1.5 from here, right? So entry was according to this only, but then our risk reward changed to 2.5, right? And when I woke up in the morning, I saw that it already hit the target at around 2 a.m. in the night, right? And very clearly I'll show you the trade. These two were the profitable trades, or you can say a single trade of almost $225 profit. So you can see whenever we are losing it's 80, 50, 100, but when we are winning in a single trade we won $220. So this is your risk reward, your win size matters, and our win rate is almost 60%, right? The same which I promised, it will be moving around 50, 60, 70%. That's it. These things matter, your average win size and your average loss. Clear? So the recap is over. Now let's start with today's session, and as you all know, we'll start with removing all the previous drawings and we'll shift to 1 day time frame and we'll start the analysis. So it's clear what you can see: higher high, higher low, and once more a higher high. So bias is bullish. Now we'll shift to 4 hour time frame. What you can see is clear uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, maybe going for another higher. So clearly bullish. Next 1 hour time frame. Let's see this. If you pick it from here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, maybe another high is waiting. So again bullish. Now 15 minutes. So our bias in all the time frame is today bullish. So now what we'll do is we'll mark few levels on 15 minutes time frame. A very good evening, brother. How are you? So I'm giving you 30 seconds. You mark your levels, then I'll mark mine, then try to match with me. Were you able to get the same level or not? So we'll be doing it like yesterday only. We'll use just major levels and we will not mark any minor level. So let's mark the levels. So one level very clear, you can see this one clear. I hope you were able to get the same level like me. And one I am seeing is this. And what you are seeing today is a very simple phenomena, consolidation. So what we'll wait now. Let's first shift to 5 minutes time frame. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. So what should be the entry criteria is a breakout, a retest and an engulfing candle. And this is an engulfing candle. So maybe today we get an early entry. If this green candle is a bullish candle, we may look for upside trade. Okay. So be ready. If you are taking any trades with me, maybe we get the trade right now only. Because what you are seeing is simple consolidation, level breakout, a retest. So we'll just look at approximately what will be the stop loss level if we take the trade. I'll use this as a stop loss initially with the 1:1.5 trade. So it's 8 points. It's too low actually. So we'll open the position size with 0.3 lots today. Okay. So now let's see will be able to close above this or not. If you can see, it is a kind of manipulation going on. See, let me show you. It once broke out and it again came down and form a big candle to take the liquidation, then again got up, then again came down to hunt out the buyers. So it's kind of a manipulation going on at this level. But our rules are simple. If we get a bullish engulfing candle, and I am in for this trade. Is my voice clear and my screen is visible to you? Let's keep our MT5 account open. If we get the chance for an entry, we'll look for it. I'll take the trade with 0.3 lot because the stop loss level is low. Okay, that's great. Yes, brother, yesterday's trade hit the target. We got 2.2%. We are now almost $180 short to clear the first phase of this funded challenge. 750 is the target we have to achieve, and current balances you can see here 573. So it's closed. I am opening the position. Right? You can see I have opened the position. I'll be placing the stop loss below this 16891. 16891, or be little safe, 16890, and our entry price is 16900, so 10 points, so target will be 15 points, 16915. 16915. So you can see this is the stop loss, this is the target, and our trade is opened. A very quick trade for today. I don't know whether it will hit the target or stop loss, but yeah, trade is done, taken. I'm using currently funding frontier for this challenge. Otherwise, I'm using TFT also. Just wait for a second, I have an important call coming. Yes, So we have took the trade for today. It was very fast actually today. We just set 5 minutes back and we have took the entry. So let's bit discuss about our dashboard. So this is our current scenario going on. I am using funding frontier, brother. This is the equity balance right now. Okay. Please hit the like button if you like the analysis, like the content. Your like matters. Yesterday also the session received only 1 like. And if you want something else, you can provide me suggestions. Okay, I'll share it. So we have to reach the target of 7.5% almost, that is $750. Clear? Everything is ticked past. Daily loss limit we haven't crossed any of the time. Minimum trading days 5, we have crossed it. Our days are 14. That means we have till now took trades on 14 days till now. Maximum loss limit is 10%. We haven't crossed it till now, so it is also passed. And our profit target is 7.5%, which is pending. Yes, absolutely. I have cleared many challenges. This was my certificate when I passed Forex Funder. You can see by pyramiding I had on that day 100% win rate. In a single trade by pyramiding I completed the target. So total till now we have took 17 trades. Out of them few are of pyramiding also. That means in a single trade when you have 3-4 trades. Like yesterday we had these 2 trades. We hit the target and we made around $225 profit. Clear? I hope we'll soon pass this challenge. Then we'll be moving towards phase 2. So today we took this trade, very simple one. What was the criteria is, this was a consolidation. What is consolidation? When market is making equal lows and equal highs. You can see equal lows and equal highs, right? So this is known as consolidation, and it was a simple breakout and retest and then a bullish engulfing candle. This was the criteria. And now we have to just wait and watch for the entry. Sorry, for the results, not entry. Yesterday on Instagram, if you checked it, I shared an analysis. This one. It was exactly here when I shared it. See how beautifully again that phenomena worked, which I kept on telling you. that buying and selling pressure. Simple breakout and then a retest, and now the trade is running. So this trade I gave in my VIP groups also, that paid signal group. I posted this trade in the morning today. I post there very high quality trades only, not any random trades. And this was one more analysis. You can see how beautifully it is heading. If you remember, I shared it like this when it was here. Simple breakout and retest, and after this you can see there's no looking back. Boom, boom, boom. This was shared on Instagram. Here, this was the analysis of Euro USD. This one, right? So you can be in regular contact to get these analysis on Instagram whenever I post them. It's not second. Okay, so now get back to our trade today. Yes, brother, I have 4 real funded accounts currently going on for me. My opinion is the trade which I took now. After taking the trade, I stopped doing analysis. Before taking the trade, I do whatever I want, but once the moment I have took the trade, I stop all the analysis. I keep my mind very calm. I don't think much what is happening or this or that. Simple, either stop loss or target, that's it. Then I don't think behind the psychology or anything. For us, it's a simple consolidation, simple breakout, simple retest, then simple bearish angle, bullish engulfing candle. All our confluences are tick. Trade is from a good major level. Bias is bullish, so bias is also in our favor. That's it. These things are sufficient for me to take the entry. After that, even if it is a stop loss, it's not my mistake. I'll accept it and move forward. I have done enough back testing, brother, in my career initially. Now I am not doing any back testing. I'm just taking the best trades possible, and that's it. In this 1 hour only, I am sitting at the screen. After this screen time, when I am not live, I am not spending any time on the screens. Maximum to maximum 10-15 minutes a day. That too to make some swing trades or anything like that. Not more than that, because now I don't have time to spend on analysis on backtest. Now I want, freedom from trading, not foundation. Our strategy is good, our mindset is good, and we are profitable. That's it. That's sufficient. Yes, I have got the payouts. We'll pass this challenge and we'll surely show you live payout, because in this challenge all the profit will be shown in front of you if we are able to pass this and we are able to manage to get a payout. You can see that this is the power of risk reward. In three consecutive losing trades, how much we lost? 87 plus 53, it's 140, and it's 24, $164 we lost. And in one part of yesterday's trade we managed to make more than that, and then 55 extra. So in one trade we were able to manage to get out the loss of all the three trades plus few profits also. This should be your management, your calculation, right? So okay, it may hit the stop loss. So our job is to simply take the best possible trades and then just wait and watch, because there will be regularly losing days, and for being a good trader you have to accept losses, you have to learn to accept losses. So SL is hit. Let's see it, is it on MT5 or not? It's little pending here, but I think it will hit for sure. Yeah, it's hit. So almost we lost $61 today. Yeah, this one. On the last you can see we have a $61 loss. So today was a nice day. Why? Because it was very quick. And this is the power of stop loss, that it saves you from any blunders or anything like that. If you don't place a stop loss, then your mind will keep on telling just move a little more, just wait a little more, just wait a little more. And in such opinion, what will happen is, first you will have a $50 loss, then it will move to 70. Then what will be you thinking? You will thinking, once it come back to 50 loss, I'll close the position. And if it by chance come back again to $50 loss, then what will think? You will think, let it once come again to $0, then I'll close. So this is simple basic human psychology, right? So that's why I prefer to place orders in advance only, such that psychology doesn't come to play. Like yesterday night, I just placed the stop loss and target, and I was sleeping well. Everyone has different strategy, different criteria. I majorly advise, and I myself also risk in between 0.5 to 1.2%. In between this, any amount can be there. When I have a little less conviction, I go with a little less position size. When I have a high conviction, I go with more position size. Like yesterday, I was having a little high conviction because this thing was happening according to me. So, what is this? This is manipulation. Let's see whether there is any news event or not. No, there is no news event. So it was simple stop loss hunting, right? Nothing else. These things will regularly happen in market. Okay. So what was it? Simple stop loss hunting. That's it. Good. If this green candle closes above this, then it's again going to be a nice upside trade because now the stop loss hunting is over. We may risk a little lower and then take one trade. Let's see. You know what? There are always exceptional days in markets, and such things will very regularly happening, like manipulations, like a very rapid and a very big candle. But what is the probability of these things happening is a little very on a lower side, right? So despite being all these things happening regularly in the market, you have to manage your risk reward and your strategy should be good enough. Then these things don't bother you at all. Like now, I am not bothered even single percent at all. Why? Because I know that these things will very regularly happen. Simple is that I have took the stop loss. That's it. Be it by hitting the stop loss, be it by any manipulation or anything. So you have to, keep odds in your favor. That's it. Then these things will not matter you at all. Let whatever happen in the market happening. So what we'll do is if this candle closes above this, we can go for one more trade and we'll risk just 0.5%. Okay. So it's a 20 point stop loss. So I'll be taking the trade with 0.15 lot. Right? 0.15. As soon as it closes, I'll open the position. So I think it will close now. We can open the position. Yeah. So we have opened the position with 0.15 lot. Clear? And now this will be the stop loss. In fact, this is the manipulation area. Okay, so we can keep stop loss here also. Let me see how much points is the stop loss and then I'll decide. Okay, so let's keep the stop loss below this candle only. Let's play a little safe. 16884. So we have placed the stop loss here. So very few times I take two trades in a single day. And that few times are when I feel that the stop loss was hunted, we can get a nice trade. Only then, because our confluences were all tick, right? And in my experience, this is proper stop loss hunting. So our entry is almost here. So let's make it 1 is to 1.5. For me, retest is already happened. These are concepts of other things like maybe SMC, and I'm not interested and I don't know much about these things also. There are many concepts in the market out there, right? Few people sell their high frequency trade softwares and they say that they pass your challenge by taking some money. I don't know what is this concept and what they do, and I'm not in much favor of that. I'm very simple conventional trader, just trading support and resistance, nothing else. In trading, having much knowledge is also a curse. You should have just sufficient knowledge that you are able to make money, that's it. After that, nothing matters. And money should be made on a consistent basis, not on just few times. That overall you are in loss. Sometimes you feel it gives profit, then you think that strategy is good. No, every strategy will work sometimes. What matters is how consistently your strategy is working. At the end of month, at the end of quarter, at the end of 6 months, at the end of year, are you profitable or not? Yes, that's why I'm saying there's a company out there, Nova Funding. Many people out there on Instagram try to sell some softwares of these high frequency trades. Yes, few companies don't allow this also. In high frequency trading, actually there is some software program in which computer uses the a very high amount of data of orders that are placing in the market and uses that to place a order, and it's done in just a fraction of seconds, right? This is a little bit concept behind this, but I don't know exactly. Yes, these all things I have heard about a platform known as Nova Funding that have some foolish rules like this, that all your stop loss sizes, all these things should be same, something like this. If you have different stop losses in different trades, your account will be freezed. I am happy trading the conventional way. I am getting good results. That's enough. I once tried to make a mechanical strategy, but that too doesn't give a promising result. That's why I stopped it. So if this trade even converts to a losing trade, in total we'll almost lose 1.2 or 1.3%. That's it. If you think like this, price action contains everything, brother. There is never hard and fast rule in trading. You can't say this comes in that, this comes in that. Everything comes in everything, right? At the end, what is it? Everything is selling, buying pressure, support and resistance. That's it. I have done all these things: rejection zone, supply zone, demand zone, everything, right? These are all words for simple buying, selling pressures or supports and resistance. So, after researching, after spending time on these things, after suffering losses, I just came back to simple conventional way of trading and now it's going good for me. That's it. I am not saying that I am writing any book or I am defining my own rules for everyone. My rules are just for me. I like to trade this way. That's it. That's why I'm not very much interested in all zones or such things or anything. No. What price is saying to us, we'll see that and that's it. Those who are following me from past 30 40 days, they would very well know how I am trading, how I make the analysis, and what all things which I am using. A simple this rectangle I am using and this path, that's it. The funded trader first, second my forex funds which is now currently stopped the all the actions due to some legal issues. And once I cleared the challenge of forex funder also, but they had some foolish rules. I lost the account after passing. I stopped it. Currently, I trust the most the funded trader. And for this funding frontier, we will check it live in this program. When we will manage to get a payout, then we'll check live whether we'll be getting the payout or not. Initially, you should focus on learning how to pass the challenge because it's not that easy that you will buy the challenge first time and you will pass it. Clear? So if we lose this trade, we lose almost 70 $75, and in first trade we lose almost $60. So we'll be losing 1.23%, right? The stop loss is 16 and 9, 25 points. Target will be almost 40 points. So we have placed the stop loss and target order. We'll stream till 8:30, then let's see till then whatever happens. After that results I'll update on Telegram and tomorrow's live session. Absolutely, you can keep that. I'll post the referral link in this video. You can use the referral link if you want to purchase the challenge from Funded Trader. If you are starting, then go with the least possible size, because after that you have to just increase the values, right? Initially if you blew up, you won't cost too much. So that's why go for the least possible size, 5,000 account. That will save you a lot of money. And once when you are able to pass one challenge, then next time you can achieve for a 10k. And if anyone wishes, he or she can start the challenge with us also from next live session onwards. I use risk 0.5 to 1.2%, anywhere in between that. No hard and fast rule that every trade I will risk same. It depends on my conviction, my experience, and my thinking about the market conditions at that time. Let's see. So our trade is running, our position is open. Let's see whatever happens. We'll accept it. Till profit or stop loss is hit, you can't say anything about market, right? Even if you are 200% sure, market will prove you wrong. So always try to flow with market, never try to take revenge. or go opposite. So after this 5 minutes candle, we'll close the session. I don't want to keep the sessions too long so that people get bored, right? Our job is done, our things are done, we have take the order. Now we have to wait. That's it. Then why to waste your precious time on the screen? We have given our 1 hour. That's it. Now the orders will play their role, be it stop loss, be it target, and you will be updated on the Telegram and on YouTube tomorrow regarding this. So this is the balance after losing the last trade, that is $61, and one current trade it is running. We don't know whether it will be a stop loss or target. We have done our work. So it's time to leave, friends. Okay, bye bye, take care. I'll update the results for sure whenever the trade closes. We'll meet again tomorrow. All right. So this is the position, you can see it's open, $20 profit right now. So okay, take care, good night, friends. We'll see you tomorrow again. Your host, your friend, Dr.